So we've already installed our filter in the filter rack. It's a 16 by 25. Routed the little wires through the opening on the blower compartment. Now comes with a little harness that you can either cut it short, tuck it away as neatly as possible. You plug it in. I'm not gonna cut it, but I am gonna put the stay-cons at the end of the wires, which I have here ready. Okay, you go. I've already installed two stay-cons at the end of the wires, and in this case we're going to use in the neutral section of the board, all the white wires. We're going to put one on there. Okay, and then this furnace already comes equipped with the EAC terminal for the electronic air cleaner, so you just remove that and you put the other end of the wire on there, and that's it. So the filter will be energized every time the blower comes on, and then you just tuck the wire as neatly as you can or cut it shorter, whatever you want to do with that, and that's it. We're done.